Hello everyone, this is John from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a grinder with us in the shop. And this is a Sette 2070 WI, and it came in because it was not turning on, turned off for a little bit, wouldn't do anything much more than that, but it's working good and it's new. We are going to just make some grinds here. We're just going to do a quick grind set. You're going to hit that and you're going to wait a little bit. And it's going to start grinding. Now, since it's not scanning that there's a quarter filter, it's going to turn off every now and then, so that's fine. And I didn't adjust the grinder here, but this is the grinds you're able to get with it. Pull it out. As you can see, nice and fine and looking good. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell.